Medica Bazaar, a Mumbai-based startup that operates a platform for hospitals and healthcare centers tied up with Zipline, an American medical product delivery company for medical drone deliveries in Maharashtra. Siva Logistics launched MySiva, a new transactional multi-modal platform enabling shippers with instant quotation, real-time booking, and end-to-end visibility with real-time assistance in the United States, China, and India. All Cargo Logistics looks forward to being debt-free by the end of the year upon concluding the sale of its warehousing unit to private equity major Blackstone, who will purchase 90% equity in All Cargo's warehousing for almost Rs 1,400 crore. Uber Freight has continued to widen its transportation management system by integrating with supply chain software provider Blue Yonder. This connection will widen the network of instantly available capacity to Blue Yonder's shipper customers. China's state-run container line, COSCO Shipping Holdings Limited, will soon work with Alibaba Group Holding Limited and Ant Financial Group, the e-commerce giant's financial technology, have united for using blockchain technology to track goods across seaborne supply chains. O9 Solutions announced its collaboration with Future Group, one of India's leading retailers, who will deploy the next generation of O9 platforms to integrate demand planning, forecasting, replenishment planning, and sales and operations planning. They will support Future Group's 1,500 stores across 450 cities, which will include all retail formats. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought in fresh challenges and opened up a whole world of opportunities for the micro-logistics and last-mile delivery ecosystem. It is also a sector that is seeing unprecedented growth owing to the high demand of online grocery, e-commerce, and delivery from mom-and-pop stores around. Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, a regulatory agency in the United States, is seeking information on the safety operations of small commercial trucks and vans making deliveries for online retailers and grocery stores. A number of companies are using vehicles with the gross vehicle weight rating less than 10,000 pounds, and there appears to be a gap in safety oversight of both drivers and vehicles. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. And for more such videos, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.